Okay guys, I just want to make a real quick video. I purchased the Blackvue 900 something. Anyways, the one with 4K 2 channel. The Magic Genie Pro calls for a connection that would be one going to a constant channel, constant power, which is a battery, and one going to an accessory position, which would only supply power when the key or push start is in the forward position. Basically no power when the truck is off. Saw a bunch of videos online. Nobody's really hardwiring these things into the RAM, so just wanted to give y'all a tip. Ran the line coming up, just kind of tucked it up in there. Came across, sorry for the whatever. Anyways, came across through here, kind of tucked it in there with that little plastic pry bar tool. Came around through here, came around that side there, went around the rubber. I went around the inside of that rubber, then came around the bottom, took the lower glove box off, brought it in from here, and poured it in from there. So you actually have, oh, it actually comes with a USB lighter type of thing, which I just stuck it behind there. Anyway, 2 wires going out to the camera itself, and then the actual hookup for my constant. What I did was I tested this power here, this connection. I have no idea what it goes to, but it's got plenty of juice and it's a thick wire. This one's positive constant battery power, so this is going to be my constant. I'm just going to tap into there. And this one here is the actual accessory port that goes into the center console piece here. Goes into there. So I took that off, and that one only supplies power when the truck is on. So the accessory position is going to be wired to this orange and yellow wire here. That's going to be your positive side, but accessory. This other one, the battery power, I'm going to splice it into this red one there. And that's going to be able to give me both modes of power, the constant and the accessory position. The ground wire, I'll probably end up tapping somewhere in there or whatever. But that's not a big deal. Anyways, hope this helps.